90% of P0456 codes are caused by this. Holds up gas cap. A loose or cracked $15 part that mechanics will charge you $200 to diagnose. They'll hook up fancy scanners, shrug and say, could be serious. Meanwhile, you could have fixed it by twisting it tight or spending $10. Don't get scammed. Check this first. Hello friends. Welcome back to the channel where we make car care simple, fun and stress-free. What is the P0456 code? This trouble code stands for Evaporative Emission Control System Small Leak Detected. The EVAP system prevents fuel vapors from escaping into the atmosphere, and even a tiny leak can trigger this code. Can I drive with a P0456 code? Yes, you can usually drive a car with a P0456 code. However, it's important to address the issue promptly as it can lead to other problems over time. Common symptoms include check engine light, slight fuel smell, and potentially decreased fuel efficiency. Now let's talk about how to fix P0456 engine code. Here are simple two methods to fix P0456 error code. Method A. Check the gas cap condition. A loose or damaged gas cap is the most common culprit. Ensure the cap is securely tightened and check for any cracks or damage, especially on the rubber seal. Clean with the WD-40 cleaner. WD-40 can be used to clean the gas cap and the area around the fuel tank to remove any debris that might be interfering with the seal. Method B. The canister purge valve. The canister purge valve is typically located within the engine bay, either attached to the engine or intake manifold. Check the purge valve's functionality. If the canister purge valve is leaking or not functioning correctly, it can prevent the EVAP system from sealing properly, leading to pressure drops and the detection of a small leak. Replace with a new canister purge valve. If the test confirms a faulty valve, it can be replaced. The specific location and method of replacement will vary depending on the make and model of the vehicle. Once you fix the leak, clear the code with an OBD2 scanner or disconnect the battery for 10 minutes. If the code doesn't return, you're good to go. If it did, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks like this. Thanks for watching, and remember, when it comes to car problems, you've got this. See you in the next video.